Is your garbage disposal not turning on? First, make sure the garbage disposal is plugged in. Some garbage disposals are hardwired. These will not have a plug. Then check the GFI breaker to ensure it is not tripped. This should be located in the kitchen or a nearby bathroom. Then, you should check the circuit breaker box or fuse box. Reset any tripped circuit breakers or replace any blown fuses. If it's still not working, check for leaks. If the garbage disposal appears to be leaking, it may need to be replaced. Check the reset button on the garbage disposal. Typically, the button will extend around 1/4 of an inch if it's tripped. If it's tripped, just press to reset and use normally. If it's not tripped, your garbage disposal may need to be replaced. Quick tip: never pour grease or oil down the drain. It will cause clogs and blockages in pipes. If this didn't help, Can Do can. Book a Can Do Pro at candohome.com today.